Good day. Well, this time I can promise you this is our last example, the 5th video to get through this PowerPoint. Sometimes a question will give you things in percents rather than grams. Well, it's very simple. If I'm told something's 23.2%, I just call it 23.2 grams. So I consider the sample simply to be 100 grams. And you can see I don't know how to do brackets at the end. Oh well. So here we're given percents of sodium, carbon, and oxygen, and we are told to go and get an empirical formula. Oh, we are told the molecular formula, molar mass 134.00 grams per mole. So that tells us we're going to have to do step D. Periodic table, have it handy. So here are the conversions. And remember, I wrote down as percents, but just treat it like grams. Same for the carbon. And we sure see that oxygen likes to get in compounds. Now when I look at these, I see those numbers are pretty close, but that's the smallest one, so I'm going to divide everything by 1.492. Almost looks like a famous year. And so incredibly, that's going to come out to 1. This is going to come out to 1. And this is going to come out to, surprise, surprise, 2. So that was no problem. I got NaCO2. Now you might be able to guess this is an ionic compound. You might be able to make that big leap to what the molecular formula is. But we want to have this showing you the proper steps. So you're going to get used to seeing this. We have our empirical formula. This big number was given in the question. This number I had to calculate. 2 sodiums each, or 1 sodium, that's around 23. Carbon is around 12, that's 35. Then I add 32, so I get the 67 right there. You can see by inspection what N is going to equal. N equals 2, blow out the brackets or parentheses, and you get Na2C2O4, which you might recognize as sodium oxalate. So you now have lots of examples. You should get in the habit of spreading your work out. I have to see your logic. If you make it look like a dog's breakfast, it's just a mess, I will not strain myself. I'll just mark it wrong. You've got to show your steps. You're communicating to me your logic. So give yourself space, make it neat. Not a bad idea to put a box around your answer when you're all done. Finally, we have finished this PowerPoint.